Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to get your front shield wipers into service position. To get there, we have to switch on the ignition, or we are going to open the door and sit in the car. Then your car is ignition on. This is step number one. And then we are going to use the lever on the right side of your steering wheel. These are the wipers lever, to use the wipers 2 times and then release them. After this, the wipers will go into maintenance setting, as you can see. And now we can replace them easily. It's really easy. Go to the ignition on, and then use your lever on the right side, push it down, hold it for 2 times of wiper services, and then release the lever. After this, the wipers will go automatically into service setting, and if you like to come out of it, we have to perform the same. We have to push it down for approximately 3 seconds, and then they will go to the standard position back, and then we can use them easily standard way. So it is easy, and then you can replace the wipers blades at the front side. Again, hold it 2 times and then release it, and it will come automatically into service setting. That's awesome. To go out of it, perform the same. Drop it down for up to 3 seconds, and then job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.